New from Academy Hobby Model Kits, it is the Hyundai Porter II box truck delivery. Part of their MCP line of kits, their multi-color parts kit, 124 scale curbside kit. Got released in August. I finally managed to get one shipped over finally. So it's going to be a cross between a glue kit and a snap kit, much like their other Hyundai kit releases. Released for the Korean market, but you can pick one up on eBay if you want. I'll leave a link to the eBay search in the description below. And it is today's What's in the Box. Taking a look at the cab, you can see it is a multi-piece cab molded in white. Taking a look at the box parts tree. So you have made up of 6 pieces: the sides, the roof, the floor, the front bulkhead, and the rear doors. Start here with the left side panel and the roof. We have the right side with the curbside door, the floor. And here we have the front bulkhead and the rear doors swing out. Here's a look at the underside of the floor. Taking a look at the cab parts tree. So we have the roof fairing, the rear cab bulkhead, the front bumper, part of the grill piece. Parts tree E is next, and it is like the, so this is going to look like we have like an intercooler. I think the mirror faces. Here we have the inner side of the engine and transmission, the wheel cap, the hubcaps, wheel caps, the wheels, the taillight buckets, Hyundai badging. Yeah, this is supposed to be like the chrome parts tree basically, even though it's in silver. Here in the middle we have the exhaust piping, 4 pieces. And up here looks like we have the headlight buckets. Looks like there's 2 choices, both round and I guess square. Some more piping. Parts tree C is next, and it is the suspension and frame parts tree. So up here we have the one side of the frame, a fuel tank, some fender wheel wells, suspension, a tie rod, another piece of the frame here. Looks like probably where the cab sits over. Over here we have the other side of the frame, the rear axle, more frame pieces. It actually looks not bad actually. Take a look now at parts tree D, which has some of the wheels. Start up here, so we have wheels. Looks like these are going to be for the rear wheels. The lower grille and driving light piece. Fog lights. This side we have the front wheels, steering wheel. In the middle, more random pieces. Wipers. Looks like some rails. Taking a look now at parts tree B, which is going to be the interior parts tree. So we have the cab floor, left and right door panels. Here we have the roof liner, front seats, rear part of the cab. Here's the dash. And the rest of the cab pieces, interior cab pieces, rear seat backs. Taking a look now at the blank sidewall roundy rounds, no name tires. So the three big ones are going to be for the front, and you get a spare. The smaller ones are going to be the rear dualies, and you get a spare. Taking a look now at parts tree F, which is the clear parts tree. So we have the windshield, two choice of headlight lenses, the side windows, fog light lenses, it looks like, the rear window, the vent pieces, whatever they're called, I can't think of the name for them right now. Take a look now at parts trees G and H, which are the transparent clear parts. First we have G, the orange, amber parts for the indicators. H, taillight pieces, taillight braking. Taking a look at the decal sheet and the box sheet. The sheet that you can cut out the boxes and make some boxes for the cargo area, which is kind of cool. For the box. Boxes for the box. And the decal sheet. So you have interior decals, a couple gauge cluster options, badging, license plates, markings, decals for the chrome pieces on the box. Unfortunately, they're silver, much like the silver parts tree, which is supposed to be chrome. Going to take a look at the instruction books now. There are two of them. They split it up into two. And now manual 2. So you can build two different versions of the Hyundai Porter, one with round headlights, one with square headlights, different grille, lower grille, valence options. So then, my friends, is going to do it for this look at the Hyundai Porter II cargo box truck from Academy Model Kits. So on that note, thank you for watching.